In this episode now I want to show you the utility mode. What is the utility mode? Okay, so your big battery, the 64 kilowatt hour battery in this car, gives you power for driving and for your heat or air conditioning. Everything else, lights, your screens, the fans, seat heaters, heating the back window, the mirrors, everything else, your 12 volt outlet, your USB, your speakers, everything is being powered by the small 12 volt battery in the front of the motor bay. And if you're standing and don't have the car on, I mean in drive like it is now, it is in drive. Now I turn it off. I turn it on again without touching the brake pedal. So the car is on, the heating works, the fan is working, but it's not in drive. So now, this is a thing, the 12 volt battery, it will be charged periodically, but not all the time. So if you let the car sit, have, I don't know, blasting music on, have the fan on strong, have seat heaters on, a lot of loud music and everything, the 12 volt battery will drain. And if you don't want that, you can turn on the utility mode, where the power for all the other systems, what I just said, would normally are used from the 12 volt battery, is now being used from the high voltage battery. So it can use it overnight, for example, or you can I want to test if you can also keep the car warm, for example. I will test this in a second. So, but first, let me show you how you get in there. On the steering wheel, you press your button so you get to your settings. Then you go all the way down to... Oh, you cannot do it when the car is off. Okay. Put the car in drive. Ready to start driving. And now here's utility mode. I go into utility mode, switch to utility mode. Yes. Ooh, parking brake engages. You cannot put the gear in. Yes, because you can't drive. Yeah, it's okay. And now it's on. To get out of the utility mode, of course you can go in here and it says press power button to quit utility mode. So now when you turn on the heat, when you blast music, charge something, use the seat heaters, everything is being powered by the high voltage battery. And what I want to see now is I have the key in my pocket. I have the heat on at 24 degrees, the fan on, and seat heater on. And I will now leave the car and lock the car, and I want to see what happens if the utility mode is still working and nothing happens. See you in a sec. Getting out of the car, closing the door. So this doesn't work. Sorry. Okay, so as you can see, I could get out of the car. It warns me that the key is not in the car, but I cannot lock the car. So this doesn't do as a keep climate on, for example. Okay, that was the utility mode. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.